So if you want to ask a question, just like in English, you kind of have to raise the end of your sentence. And that kind of indicates a question. But you should note that sometimes we don't do this in English. Like, what was your address again? Right? We don't always do it. We know that sometimes we do. Like, oh, would you like a cup of coffee? You know, we do that. But in Korean, you have to do that. Raising the end of the sentence like that indicates a question. Not doing so indicates a statement. To help you remember to do that, you can think, oh, is it a question? Then raise the yo. And if you haven't noticed by now, yo comes at the end of all sentences. Yo is kind of like the please, if you will, of Korean. It's the polite marker. If you're using it, then you're being polite. So all of the sentences we're going to use in this course end in yo. So how would you ask the question, do you eat?
먹어요?
What about you eat that?
그거 먹어요?
Okay, and now say, she eats that thing over there.
저거 먹어요?
Now I hand you an apple and say, eat this. How would you say that?
이거 먹어요.